Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Ayana Alicia, and this is where we do all things locks, lifestyle, family. So if that is something that you're interested in, please continue to watch this video. Okay, so this is my little one. She wants to say hey now.
Hi.
This is currently my 3rd month lock update. Go ahead and give you guys a 360 so that you can see how they are looking. First off, let me say my hair is freshly washed and retwisted. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I normally try to come on when it's looking kind of ugly so you won't get the impression that my hair looks great 100% of the time. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a 360 of what my hair looks like.
Before you tell somebody else.
What, Italy? 360 of what my hair is looking like currently. So let's just jump right straight into some of the changes that I have been experiencing with my hair. So as you guys can see, I do have an undercut at the back of my hair, and I'm going back and forth contemplating between either going ahead and starting some small little locks back there or either adding some lock extensions, only because my husband is the one that maintains my cut, but he is currently traveling with work now, and he's probably going to be doing it consistently for a couple of months now, well, a couple of months in the future. So I don't want to have to try to find somebody else to cut my hair, and I definitely don't want to go to the barbershop. So I'm thinking about either, you know, going ahead and starting some small little comb coils, or either just waiting a little bit longer and letting it grow out some more, or doing lock extensions. But of course you guys will know about that. So let's get into the perimeter of my hair. So if you are a old subscriber, then you know that I dealt with postpartum shedding with my last pregnancy. So that was the reason why I ended up combing out my micro braid locks. And the shedding really happened along the edges of my hair. So I just want to show you guys how they're doing. This side really didn't have as much shedding, but the edges are going out. But this side is where I had a lot of shedding and where I actually had lost one lock. And then when I combed my locks out, another lock that came out. But anyway, so this little section has grown. So now I have 2 little baby locks right there. Other than that, my hair is doing good. I feel like it's locking really, really good. Ever since I did interlock the roots, I think that was at my a little bit after my 1st month lock date or whatever, I had interlocked my roots. So that's been helping me maintain like my retwists and stuff like that. So as you can see, like it's intact really good, like from me doing those interlocking those 2 times. Yeah. My ends, of course, are still loose, which that's to be expected. Because of my curl pattern, I already figured that my ends would be the last thing to lock, which they were the last thing to lock on my last 2 previous lock sets, and my ends still wasn't even fully locked at 1 year for both sets that I've done. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I would do a longer video, but I do have my girls up right now, and I know the background on this video is probably going to be horrible. So with that being said, I will see you guys for my 4-month lock update. And there may be some new content for you guys coming out pretty soon, so make sure you guys hit the notification bell so that you are made aware of new videos that come out. And also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Peace and many blessings, and thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.